Behind this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert curved text in LibreOffice Draw. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab on the left upper corner, and after that you need to go to Fontwork. Then I recommend you to select here Shadow Fontwork Style, and after that we need to click OK button, and it should be successfully inserted here. Now we need to click on this one option, Fontwork Shape. If you don't see here this option, I recommend you to go to View, then to Toolbars, and you need to select here Fontwork. Then this window should be successfully displayed here, and you will be able to select this one option. So I click here and I select here Arch Down. I click on it, and then this effect will be successfully applied to this font. So maybe I will increase the size of this text, so I will do it now. I'm going to change position of this text somewhere here, and if I click double time on it, I will be able to change text. For example, I type here curve text, and I click outside the box. But remember that you can always modify the effect. If you will select the text and you will go to Fontwork Shapes, you will be able to choose another one, for example this one, or maybe I will change the effect to this one. So everything depends on your preferences and the effect that you want to achieve. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.